Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be going over the Echo Dot 4th generation table holder that I just now got from WATCHGANG. This one is awesome because it's going to actually help illuminate the notification bar on the very bottom, so when you get one it'll actually be more distinct and you'll be able to see it with a lot more clarity, and plus it actually looks cool as well. As we can tell from the back right here on the packaging, this table holder is specially designed for the Echo Dot 4th generation, lets music get rid of the limitation of place, and makes your home full of wonderful music. Features: perfectly fits for all new Echo Dot 4th generation, frees up counter space and eliminates long cable trouble. Light guide belt design makes your Echo point indicator light more shining, and this Echo Dot stand makes it easy for you to move it around your home. Great for kitchen, living room, bathroom, bedroom, and so forth, guys. So very cool. It's got strong compatibility, easy installation, space saving, and avoids risk as well, which I'm not sure exactly what risk it avoids, but it does, and I assure you that it does, guys. So you heard it here first. If you want to avoid risk, you buy this product. Clearly, that's what you do. You go out, you buy one of these, risk free. But guys, let's go ahead and open up the box and check it out. See exactly how well it illuminates the bottom notification light and see exactly how it looks. And where I got my gloves on, it kind of complicates things, so I'm gonna have to do it like this. And a little bit of a disclaimer: this product was actually sent to me for free, but I also have the ability, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So if you guys want one of these for yourself, if you guys got the Echo Dot 4th gen and want one of these for yourself, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing to enter the giveaway. Next month on the 1st, I'll be doing the giveaway, so stay tuned for that as well. And I have 3 of these to be giving away, so you guys, any one of you could win any of those 3. So definitely fantastic, and I appreciate WATCHGANG for giving me the opportunity to do this for you all. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Alright, there's our product right here. We got this little slip. Now, since we have it out of the packaging, here's the installation instruction manual and the product itself, the stand. Let's go ahead and set the stand right there and we'll open this up. It is just a single page. And right there at the bottom, it teaches you to turn the bottom cover counterclockwise in order to open it, and then wind the extra wire into the post. Pull out 2 wires from the middle of the 2 grooves into the 2 wire holes. So let's go ahead and do that. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys why that is needed, because as you can see, I'm just right here. If I want to plug my Echo Dot 4th gen in, it's got a lot of extra lead. So in order to minimize that, just take this right here, turn it counterclockwise, put your little cord right in there, and then from there, once you get it looped, you can kind of adjust it from there on both sides to make it longer from one end and shorter from the other, or vice versa. Either way you want to do it. Now, since we have our cord wound up, we just take our little base and put it on right here where these 2 cords match up. If I can get it right there, there's the 2 cords, and then pop the little side pieces on and then turn it kind of clockwise and then lock it into place. And there we are. It looks very organized, and then just place it like so, and then we have access to the back port, and I'll just plug it in like that. Now there is the actual notification light, and it actually illuminates it very well. Let me actually go ahead and shut off the lights that I use for my filming, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the dark even, so you can get a little bit of a better look in depth into what it looks like light-wise. Now I got the light shut off, and it's definitely doing a great job illuminating. Definitely very bright in comparison to the standard right there where it's up against the table more. This right here does a very good job of illuminating. Definitely a very cool product. Really like this one. So if you guys got the Echo Dot 4th Gen, this could potentially help you as well, especially with the cord. The way it ravels it up, it makes it a lot better, especially in on a kitchen counter or something where you wouldn't want all that extra cord space and have it butted up right against the backsplash or something near your actual outlet. If you guys want one of these, don't forget to enter the giveaway down in the comment section below. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing. And I have 3 of these to give away, so definitely have an increased chance of winning one of these if you guys do so. Or my channel's so small, that'll definitely help me out, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. But as far as today's video, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.